This pretty hairstyle is definitely a nod to Sailor Moon. My friend and model here, Krista, enjoys Sailor Moon, so this hairstyle is especially for her. Now the key to this hairstyle is to have precision in your parting. If you have a rat tail comb, that really helps. I start with a triangular section right at the front of the hair, starting to leave pieces out as I go, and then straight across in the back. Now to form the buns, if you have thinner hair, it really helps to do a little bit of back combing here. Notice how each time I pull the hair down, I lift the comb out of the hair and do it again. You don't want to go back and forth ratting up the hair because that damages the hair. This type of back combing you can remove without damaging the hair. So we're just tying in a simple knot here, making sure the smooth side of your hair is on the outside, and then use a bobby pin to secure the bun into place where you want it to lie. Now we're going to repeat the process. Add more volume to the hair. And again, we're going to loop this around our fingers. But this time, instead of tying a knot, we're just going to lay it in place to fill in any gaps and make the bun a little bit more round. So if you have an area that doesn't have any fullness, wrap the hair there. Now hide the tail ends underneath the bun, and to secure in place as needed. Also, you can see I've got a piece here that's not perfectly round. I'm just going to pull that down and pin it where I'd like it to be. Now we're going to repeat the process on the other side to try to make these buns as symmetrical as possible. Once you're done, we can add decoration to these. Make sure you check both in the front and the back for symmetry. Now we can do flowers or pins of any kind. I also enjoy doing butterfly clips, but this time I'm doing ribbon. Ribbon is very popular right now. So measure out your piece of ribbon first, then tie a bow, and you're going to slip a bobby pin through the knot of the bow. Again, I'm going to show you this close up, so this is how I'm doing the bow. Make my 2 loops, tie those together in a simple knot, hold all 4 pieces tautly. You can slip your fingers in the loops to help, and tie the knot very tight. And you'll just barely be able to wiggle a bobby pin through. Now simply sticking 1 bobby pin in to secure the bow will not be enough to hold it into place. So once I put the bow exactly where I want, I'm going to take a second bobby pin and I'm going to crisscross it underneath to lock the first one into place. This way your bow will not fall out while you're walking around during the day. And there you have it, the finished hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this hairstyle, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. You can also find me on Instagram at Roheryn Design.